You better get used to this.
Oh, I thought, yeah. I'm just saying, they're working so quickly. Can I just greet you for a minute?
Absolutely.
Can you turn off the camera?
Oh, this is the fun stuff.
Oh, it's just practice. Hi, I'm Renee Stambaugh, founder of Native Plant Consulting, and today we're here to beautify the island leading to the ranger station of the Gamble Rogers Florida State Park. We hope that guests will drive slowly approaching the ranger station, admiring the pretty flowers and the butterflies.
If I could hire Renee to work with me at the park, that would be awesome. I love her enthusiasm, her knowledge, and her desire to change the landscape by using native plants is definitely aligns with the mission of the Park Service.
The first time I spoke with Stephanie, she made clear the objectives of this project. Our process began with a customized plan. It's all about right plant, right place. Time of year, I'd say every other day. In the winter is usually dry. Behind me is the entrance island to the Gamble Rogers Florida State Park. So it's clear that this location receives full sun, is in sandy soil, and is located close to the ocean. Plant species that thrive in these conditions were selected, and they were placed in large groupings for maximum appeal. The different species will provide seasonal interest. They also benefit our local wildlife. The grasses will provide seeds to feed the birds, and the flowers will provide nectar to feed the butterflies and other pollinators.
To find the designer, I wanted to go as local as possible. Our native plant aficionados and also recommended Native Plant Consulting and Renee. Her enthusiasm, her desire to really work with us is what sold all of us on using her. She took our ideas and owned them and created a design that everyone got excited about.
At first, this island will look like a sea of pine needle mulch, which is what the plants prefer. So by next summer, all these plants will be touching and it will be full and lush. Everyone was real excited working on this project, getting to know the different plants and how they will benefit the wildlife and bring beauty to the entrance for their guests. Today has gone so well. Now we're just utilizing some surplus plants in an area where the guests will see.
We absolutely see a pathway of being able to educate our community with using native plants as a way to support our native pollinators. And there's information at our native butterfly garden, and designers like Native Plant Consulting would be a great place to start as well.
Call our office. We'd love to speak with you. We'd love to help you. Our mission is to educate on the benefits and value of native plants. Check out our website, nativeplantconsulting.com, full of information that you can utilize. Native Plant Consulting is happy to help you choose the right plant for the right place and help you with maintenance in the years to follow.